Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Philip the True Tech Dad, and today I'm going to unbox the GoPro Hero SessIon. It's a 1080p portable action camera that you can pretty much take anywhere that you want to go. You know, if you go hiking, if you go mountain biking, just riding your bike around the neighborhood, riding your skateboard. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to unbox this and show you what's in here, because I'm not sure what's all in here either. So I don't have my unboxing knife. Okay, there we go. And looks like this is it. Not really sure how it's on here, but it's on here. This is the GoPro right here, and that's what it looks like. The camera itself, I guess it's the mounting bracket, one of the mounting brackets that comes with it. So right here is the record button. There's only one button to press to record. Let's see what else is in here. So we'll see what's in here, and we'll try to get that off of there as soon as we can. Alright, we got another mounting bracket here. Another one, and a USB cable here. Looks like, I guess you would use this to charge it. Now this is the GoPro camera here. It's pretty small. It's a square cube shape. This is waterproof somehow. You know, this is a record button, and looks like, let's see what this is. I guess this is a little holder for it. So that's actually not the camera part of the camera, it's just the holder, the bracket for it. So this is actually it here. It's just a cube shape, small little camera, right there. That's no screen showing you anything either. So oh well, we'll figure it out, and I'll put that right there. And here's the mounting bracket here, and the other things here. So we got our micro SD card here, 32 gig Samsung Eve. It does not come with an SD card already with it. You have to buy one separately, so not sure how we'll put this in. We'll put this in a little bit, and I'll show you how that's done. Let's see what's in this box here. This box came, I still don't have my, wish I had my unboxing knife, but couldn't find it this morning, so I'm going to try this here. Oh, this will work. This will work. Now, alright. Here it's saying head strap camera mount. So I guess it's a head strap camera mount. So I'm gonna go ahead and damn. Okay. There it is. How in the world does this work? I guess you gotta adjust this for your head. It's got these like little rubber silicone things in there, I guess, to help you keep it on your head, which is nice, because you don't want this thing to fly off your head. Feels very soft, very nice. Actually, back here it looks like you got it's like some kind of foam padding, so it should feel more comfortable. Pretty sure. This way you can take that out and then put that on there. That way you can mount the bracket here. So you're able to mount the bracket. Man, they put this sucker on here tough, don't they? What? Again, they sure will make it easy for you. Alright, we'll figure this out later. But this is the head strap. I guess we'll put this. We got a big head here, so. I gotta admit, they don't make this too easy for you. There we go. Once I figure out how to get this over here, then we'll be okay. But it's alright. Guess this is where it would go. You would either flip it up or whichever way you want to do it. So that fits on. Got a big head, so as you know, as you can see, it'll fit pretty much any head. You can adjust it. I'm not sure how small it goes. So when my daughter gets home, I will try it on her head. She's got the smallest head in the house. So alrighty, let's see what else is in here. This right here is called the handler. There we go, the handler. Again, where I need my unboxing knife. Man, you never know how much you need something until it's gone. I forgot I got scissors, so we'll try that. Let's try it this way. There we go, and there we go. Alright, that worked. Alright, this is it. Oh. Come out there. I don't know what this is. What is this? The handler. Alright, that way you can just pretty much connect that on there and then just, I guess this will fit on like that, and well, kind of like that. Then you can hold it in your hand also. Looks like it's got a wrist strap here. That way if you're doing something, kind of like the Wiimote. So, I guess if you know, next thing you drop it, it's still connected on there. So that's nice to have. It feels alright. I mean, it's not gonna hurt. It doesn't hurt anything. So that feels alright. The handler. I don't know what this is. This piece. I don't want to come out. Apparently, it's some kind of crank. I'm not sure what this does yet, so let's see if there's anyone. Yeah, this is not really telling me much, so there's not even an instruction in there, but that's kind of silly. But whatever this is, we'll figure it out. Pretty sure I'll look on the website and be able to tell you a little bit more about what's in there. This is it. This is what came in it right here. This is called the Handler Floating Hand Grip, and this is actually by GoPro. And then we got the head strap. As you can see, it feels nice. It feels good. I mean, it didn't feel uncomfortable at all. And then we got the casing for it. Let's open up the USB card here. I mean, keep calling it a USB card. Micro SD card. I don't know why I'm calling it USB. Alright, so basically it looks like you get a micro USB card and also a adapter. It's a little bit bigger so you can put it in your computer or whatever. So if you have any pictures or video that you want to transfer over to your computer, you're able to do it that way. For some reason, I believe you're able to transfer it via USB, via Wi-Fi, but I'm not actually sure about that yet. But I will do a review on this stuff shortly. I'm just going to try it out for a little while and see what all it can do. On the back here, it does show that you're able to connect it to your phone. Looks like you can edit the video from your phone. But I will get back to you on that. If you have any questions that you need to know about this stuff, just leave it in the comments down at the bottom, and I will get back to you as soon as possible, and also put it in the review video. So let's go ahead and see if we can put this SD card in. This looks like a little place that you can open here. Don't know if you push it. Really need to look at this instruction booklet. Okay, you pull it down. Okay, it flaps open. It pops open right there. It looks like it's got a slot for the USB card in here, and also a where you plug your. I think I said USB card again. They have a flap for your micro SD card, and also a place to plug in the USB here, and I guess to charge it. I'm not sure how long it takes to charge, but I will check on that too, and give you that in my review on this. This is the GoPro Hero SessIon. Okay, I'm going to slide this in here, and alright, here we go. It's in there. Open it up, and I'm not sure how you turn this on yet. I don't know if I need to charge it a little bit. Basically, that's it. I'm gonna figure this out. Figure out how to actually do everything. I will be doing that review video on this later. I'm just gonna try it out, and I'm gonna try it out and see how this works, what's going on with it, and I'll let you know everything else when I test it out. So again, I am Philip the Shoe Tech Dad. I hope you liked my unboxing video of the GoPro Hero SessIon, and all the accessories. If you did, please press that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. More stuff will be coming up pretty soon. So again, I am Philip the Shoe Tech Dad, and thanks for watching. Catch you next time.